So in today's video, I thought I'd be showing the vertical mode. Now obviously the vertical mode really is aimed at social networks where you got the phone, because you got 19.7 I think, something like that. But obviously a lot of people use the social network. I mean, I've got Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all those sort of things. So using the vertical thing on the Mini 4 Pro, pretty ideal. Do I use it much? To be honest, I forget about it. And I should use it more, but I thought in today's video I'll show you how you do it. So anyway, the first thing you got to do, guys, got to get that drone up in the air. Okay, as you can probably see there, the drone is for some reason, I've come out, it was lovely, nice and calm, and now the wind's picked up. So it's going to be a good test in the wind as well, I think. So I'm just going to put it over that way. Just send it up away a bit. Okay, so there it is. So just above right hand side, you got the 1 point, which is the zoom setting, obviously. Just above that, you got your. So there it is. So it's just do it again. And now you can see it's actually in vertical mode. If I do it again, it goes back. Now I've been also told that you can only do it in 2.7K. You can't do it in 4K. But I'm a 1080 man myself. So anyway, I thought what we will try. We'll see if we can try out some of the quick shots and the master shots. So we go into the video at the top there. We do the master shots first. Okay, so that's done. I know that's what I want. I'm just gonna set myself up for it. Turn the drone round. We'll bring me into it. It's already picked me up. I'll do the little circle around it. It's all ready. We got 2 minutes of fun.
3, 2, 1.
So the drone's off now, doing its thing. You can move her about, but I don't usually do that, but you can move about. So the drone's doing its circle now. We've got the crows out today. We've got a couple of cyclists coming past. It's just doing its other mode now. Hello. All right. So now it's just, what I like about the master modes, it always tells you what it's doing. It's doing the droning at the moment. Nice shot there. So now it's doing the circle from afar. We're about already halfway. I suppose another thing about having it in vertical, you can actually see your time better. So it'd be interesting to see if it can pick me out. It's just coming in now. It's obviously picked me up from this location here. So even though that I've moved, it's still kept it on where I was. So I mean, there's something I didn't know. I always thought if you do it in vertical, you can only do just like landscape shots and things like that, but obviously in vertical. So you can use your other modes, which is good to see. So it's just coming back in. Right, he's just setting himself up. He's all finished. Got a nice shot there with all three of us in it. So we go over to the master shots. What we're going to do, we're going to go into quick shots now. And we're going to do the famous one we're going to do the drone. Okay, so just do a little box around myself. It's already there. Now I got a distance of 80 feet. I think 80 feet is plenty enough, so I'm going to do that. Okay, it's off.
2,
It's jigging around there.
1.
Hopefully you can see that on the camera. Okay, so it's done its bit. Quick shot's finished. It's returning back. I mean, the other thing is, well, you got to remember, it's also taking the video, so you ain't got to worry forgetting about putting the video on. It does it all for you. So it's returned. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to try the asteroid. We'll just see what the asteroid looks like. Obviously, that's where it does the world thing. I'll just put me in it. Okay,
3,
it's doing it. I'm amazed at how it's so keeping it stable. Right, for some reason, I see, I haven't pressed start.
3, 2, 1.
Off it goes. It's coping, it's doing it. I must do a wind test video one day, but I don't think the wind's that strong at the moment. Draw a box around me. We'll start. We're getting people turning up now.
1.
Okay, so it's off on it. It's doing its bit. Doing its bit. It's fighting it. It's okay. So it's done that bit.
Landing.
So I hope you enjoyed that. It's just a quick demo, really. Like I said before, the vertical really is for social networks like Instagram, Facebook, those sort of things. I don't tend to use it a lot, really. I should do, really, but I don't. But it was interesting to see what actually what he can do with it. You know, like I just showed with the master shots and the quick shots. I suppose I could do it, you know, like night photography as well. But anyway, as always, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Give it a thumbs up if you loved it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't love it. But guys, just enjoy flying your drone.